Good morning. Look. At this. Wait, you can't even see. Oh, there you go. Oh my god. It's so funny. Oh my god.
That gives you a sense for how much snow.
Yeah.
Actually, I should get my phone and send it to the
fireplace. Oh my god. Okay, we got literally an insane amount of snow. Mother and I were shoveling last night. You can't really get a sense for here. They plowed the road. Our plow people that used to plow our driveway don't plow anymore, so a lot of shoveling for us. Just watching it like progressively deeper. Okay, do you see that? That's how deep it is. That's also from the snowplow. Okay, so right across the street. Sorry if I'm talking loud, I can't hear anything with I'm all bundled up. Making snow, lots of natural snow. We plowed this road, but it's snow. I mean, I would say we got like a foot. Snowed 8 of that overnight. So I'll just take you around and show you some. I don't know if you can tell the amount of snow that's on the deck, but it's a lot. Okay, you can't even tell. I don't even think you can tell. It's like up to my shins. Fire pit. The horseshoe pits, you can barely see they're covered. Oh, and it's out of focus, okay. I have not, let's just sit you down for a second. I gotta put my boots on. I have not vlogged in a while, in a bit, because Mother and I have been absolute savages in the snow. I would say we probably got like, why is there a dent in the door? 18 inches of snow. We got a lot of snow. It's now like just barely 3 o'clock. We're gonna go get a tree. And my back is tired. But just took some pics outside. And when we get back, we're gonna decorate for Christmas. I put this shirt back on. I had an Under Armour on from when we were shoveling. Red for Christmas, and Sixers, they played the other night and won the first preseason game. Got some fizz, some blood orange fizz. And we both crashed at literally 10:30 last night. I don't remember the last time I went to bed at 10:30, but we were just tired. And I fell asleep on the floor in front of the fireplace, so. My outfit, wanna know? I don't know what, I don't know what brand this is, but this is from the Sixers store. Nike leggings and Hunter boots, super cute. Not really an OOTD worthy outfit, but just do it anyways. Okay, we're looking for our tree. Look at that pretty. Yeah, we found our tree.
We're gonna have to get it in and stand it up. So we'll have to decide.
That was quick. Okay. Oh my god, my hair!
What?
It just like was, it was like this.
Oh, I didn't notice.
Guys, we got the perfect tree. So pretty. And we came to this cute farm. We drove all this way to this cute farm, Helen and Ed's farm. Super cute. And I'll show you when we get it up. We're gonna record Mother and I getting it in the house because it's gonna be an interesting event.
Sure.
It's like 12.5 feet tall. And it's on top of the car, which the car is tall, and we're not tall. But yeah, it's like, he said it's like specially grown in the back of the farm. So it's not like touched by any other trees or anything. And it's It's like one of their top trees. It was in a different section, and I just saw it and was like, oh my god, so pretty. So, but it's so cold outside. What's the temperature?
It's 25. But
That took us less than 10 minutes. It took us 7 minutes and 40 seconds, minus that actually, because that was getting in here and stuff. I just spilled water. Frickin'. Ready, wait, come here, mother. See, we don't have 4.8. Wait, actually, what do we do? Flip it. What do we do? I'm just like pointing at the tree. Oh. Thumbs up. Woo. It's so pretty. All right, you want to I have no idea if this is in focus. Oh yeah, I think it is. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Whoa, my hair's looking a little reckless. Pre-season. Ooh.